Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lecture we are going to look at our first vulnerability, which is broken object level authorization, also known as BOLA. So what is BOLA, or broken object level authorization? Now this vulnerability occurs when an application lacks proper authorization controls, which allows attacker to manipulate the access rights or permissions of an object within the system. Now, objects can include various entities within an application. It can be a file or a database record or the user account itself. So how does it work? Now this vulnerability arises when the application relies on insecure object references to determine access rights. So in other words, like if the application uses easily guessable or manipulable identifiers to identify and authorize access to different objects, it becomes susceptible to BOLA. So from an attacker's perspective, how will they exploit this BOLA vulnerability? So they might try to gain unauthorized access to an object by manipulating its identifier or changing the authorization parameters. For example, an attacker could change a URL parameter to access a specific user's private information, even if they shouldn't have access to it. So now let's go back to our sample application and try to identify broken object level authorization vulnerability in our API endpoints and then try to fix it.